ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish.
Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalarai ban Shim Rai Khatduh halor ke jingdawa ban penkerja ya kilai spa sau pratli long yeng na them Ïewmawlong hal ni Shwa ban kut uni usnam arhaja pusau haba pentip ia kani usembut menteri rang ba ka Jilla ubakmi ia katnat pen roisor uba sngau bhalang dhar ulaong ba ka Sorkar kala pen khre na dong sedong bat ladakam urlong hau benai nai weng le sila kumnu haba kut jong benai no pra mentau usnam arhaja pusau ka Sorkar kan Shim no ia ka rai ka Khatduh hadirin baka Sorkar kala up ia ka jingkerpat balapha da ka Harijan Panchayat Committee.
We are always insist as per blueprint. So since there is a talk still some part is left, so we are still waiting for that. So likely we are going to want to close this chapter at least, if not November by the end of this year, we want to close by anyway. And there is a suggestion from them. So if we got this well and good, why we should give our owner? Simple as that. As per blueprint, yes. 3 acres approximately more or less.
3 acres?
We are exploring. Suppose now, if we get defense land, we don't have to give any more from government land, no. So lastly, if we get a reply from the defense land, there is no, we have to go ahead with our own land.